10 Metaverse crypto coins like Bloktopia Blok. Metaverse is getting media attention in the technology world, with the slew of Metaverse crypto initiatives vying for attention, each with the potential to define the fate of Metaverse cryptocurrency as well as the character of digital real estate. Metaverse coins have recently risen in popularity, providing large profits to their owners this year. The Metaverse system, which is still in its infancy, considers blockchain as well as NFTs to be critical components. Anyone can purchase a variety of Metaverse currencies. This video will go over the top 10 Metaverse coins that are similar to Bloktopia Blok and are now being traded the most in 2022. Let's get started. Number 10. SushiSwap. SushiSwap, a decentralized exchange that offers an NFT marketplace through the Metaverse, is the first Metaverse coin that we will talk about. SushiSwap is best known for its famous decentralized exchange, which allows users to purchase and trade virtual currencies with no need for a third-party intermediary. SushiSwap has indeed grown in popularity, reaching a market valuation of $500 million in early 2022. SushiSwap has now expanded its operations model by partnering with Metaverse to create an NFT marketplace. Not only would this engulf the NFT buying experience, but it would also allow sellers and buyers to interact in a decentralized manner by providing its marketplace over the SushiSwap network. This will pave the way for further Metaverse initiatives to emerge. Number 9. Wilder World. Wilder World is the crypto coin if you're looking for a low-cap jewel specializing in the Metaverse. Users may buy as well as build a range of personalized in-game goods using the project, which promotes itself to be a 5D Metaverse built on Ethereum. This covers anything and everything, including land, condominiums, sculptures, and everything else. All of them will be reflected by tradable non-financial tokens or NFTs. This particular top-rated Metaverse crypto coin has a market valuation of less than $150 million. Wilder World may be one of the greatest Metaverse cryptocurrencies to acquire for higher returns because it has a fraction of the value that projects like Decentraland as well as the SandBox have. Number 8. Render Token. It's a developing initiative that provides GPU space for platforms like the Metaverse. Without a doubt, Metaverse platforms necessitate a considerable quantity of GPU space, and besides, some of the most popular Metaverse gamers conduct thousands of transactions per minute, increasing the volume of content that the supporting blockchain must handle. Consequently, trading fees are increasing while processing times are slowing. And that is exactly where Render Token comes in, since it provides a distributed GPU rendering infrastructure that all Metaverse projects can leverage. The token was first released in 2020 at the cost of $0.05. However, Render Token has risen to a high of $8.76 ever since. Number 7. Illuvium. This is the coin that enables a fantasy battle game to meet with the Metaverse. Illuvium was founded in 2020, so basically the Illuvium group has developed an open-world game console centered around the RPG, role-playing game architecture. And in this platform, players are charged with hunting monsters known as Illuvials in a completely immersive environment. Illuvium's native ILV coin was originally released in early 2021 with a price of $68 on public markets. However, within only 7 months, the ILV coin had risen to a high of almost $2,800, a gain of over 4,000%. And since, Illuvium has plunged to low points of $600, making it an appealing starting point to buy if you are interested in investing in this particular coin. Number 6. Ontology. It's a scalable blockchain network. To put it that way, this might be a great place for the Metaverse to call home. Ontology seems to be a blockchain venture based in China with its own private network that was released in 2017. Ontology claims that its blockchain can handle 4,000 transactions every second in some test scenarios, and some other tests up to 12,000. Furthermore, transaction fees are only 0.05 ONG. Considering every one of these factors, some economic analysts believe Ontology is the ideal blockchain network for hosting metaverse enterprises. However, from the perspective of coin performance, Ontology has experienced a significant price correction in the last year, falling from peaks of $2.94 to a downtrend of $0.40. Nevertheless, this implies that you will receive a significant discount on your investment. Number 5. Axie Infinity. Having 2,800,000 active users daily, Axie Infinity can be described as an NFT-based pet game. One can acquire Axies as pets inside the game and afterward combat, breed, grow, as well as create an empire for them. Players can acquire AXS, which is the Axie token, by playing this particular game, which can then be transferred to Ethereum and then used to buy NFTs here on Axie Marketplace. Users can acquire virtual properties in the Axie world, which may appeal to investors as well as gamers. Because of the game's popularity, the entry fee was raised to 3 Axies, resulting in the creation of the one-of-a-kind Axie Scholarship. To play the game in such an Axie Scholarship, the administrator, who owns a sufficient amount of Axies, and the scholar, who cannot pay the minimum necessary Axies, decide to split the benefits. Axie Infinity has become one of the highest grossing games in the previous year, with some players even quitting their day jobs to pay their bills with the help of the pay-to-play-to-earn concept. In the Philippines, the game was so popular that the Department of Finance imposed taxes on the money earned by playing Axie Infinity. Axie today has a current valuation of $2.89 billion, with a far more than 50% drop from its peak, primarily because of the current market. However, this coin assures a YTD return of 3,091.2%. Number 4. Decentraland. In 2017, Decentraland, which is a cryptocurrency metaverse initiative, was founded. It's a decentralized, three-dimensional virtual reality environment in which you can use MANA to buy as well as sell tracts of land in a virtual environment that you can monetize after you've built it. MANA would be an ERC20 token, which means it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. Roads, districts, plazas, and land are the 4 categories that make up the platform. MANA features thematic neighborhoods that are not for sale but can be visited by users. Plazas as well as various activities are designed to draw in additional users. Consequently, the plazas are not for sale either. As a result, MANA becomes a virtual reality enabling real-world activity. Decentraland got enormous fame and hit the press numerous times in 2021. Particularly at the time of the NFTs' popularity spike, with plots of land selling for $6,000 to $100,000. In addition, Sotheby's, a London-based auction business, purchased a piece of land sometime around mid-2021 to create a virtual clone of one of its offices as a digital exhibition to display visual art. Such expenditures show that even large firms are paying attention to metaverse initiatives. Decentraland has a market valuation of $4.65 billion. MANA's market cap reached an all-time record of $10 billion during the last quarter. Number 3. Ethereum. The de facto home of the most valuable metaverse crypto coins. The 4 top-rated metaverse endeavors studied, namely the Decentraland, Axie Infinity, the SandBox, and Engine Coin, all run on the Ethereum network. In essence, this tends to be the case for nearly every one of the metaverse initiatives we encountered. Therefore, Ethereum should indeed be addressed as well if you want to invest in the larger business. This is due to the fact that Ethereum is the biggest and most popular smart contract blockchain, which would be a critical type of tech that enables virtual metaverse environments to operate in a decentralized and responsible way. And given that Ethereum is set to switch to a proof-of-stake agreement method. Number 2. Engine. Engine Coin seems to be a cryptocurrency created by the Engine Corporation in 2017. Engine is based on blockchain and is a gaming firm that was formed in 2009. It develops an ecosystem that connects blockchain-based gaming companies. Engine launched the Engine Network, a gaming community network with more than 20 million users that allows users to communicate with new gamers from all around the world. Engine Coin is very much an ERC20 token, which means it was created on the Ethereum blockchain. It's used to exchange the digital assets that are created on the site. creators are using it to acquire gaming products as in-game money. Engine coins could be used to produce in-game digital products via the minting method. Engine's platform includes its very own marketplace, which allows gamers to trade assets as well as items with no need for a middleman. As a result, Engine Coin's market value increased tenfold from $100 million to $1 billion in just 2 months back in 2021. Its growth has been tremendous, which leads people to anticipate that the next bull run, which begins in 2022, would further inflate Engine's market capitalization. Number 1. The SandBox. According to its authorized white paper, the SandBox's major goal would be to incorporate blockchain into the game sector. The SandBox is basically a virtual gaming platform created on the foundation of the Ethereum blockchain. It gives users the ability to create, own, as well as commercialize their gameplay experience and also monetize the digital assets on the network. The game is primarily reliant on the development of NFTs, particularly Sand, the primary utility coin that can be used to purchase NFTs or utilized to manufacture digital assets and NFTs by players. In addition, SandBox's Metaverse network also lets users purchase a property. Marketplace, Vox Edit, as well as Game Maker are all available in the SandBox. Vox Edit is a program that can be used to generate digital assets or NFTs. In addition, users can exchange as well as sell digital gaming assets on the marketplace, NFTs. And lastly, Game Maker allows players to build games in minutes, and that too is also for free without needing to know how to code. Sand does have an impressive list of collaborators, including Snoop Dogg, Atari, deadmau5, Shaun the Sheep, Adidas, and The Walking Dead, demonstrating the Metaverse project's promise and authenticity. The SandBox's market valuation increased from $23 million to $500 million in the initial quarter of 2021. SandBox reached an all-time peak of $7.5 billion, and with a current market cap of roughly $3 billion, this token sure does have a big possibility and ability to increase and form the next big rally. So this is all about the top 10 Metaverse crypto coins that are like Bloktopia Blok. Comment and let me know your favorite.